Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best AI generator for images between Firefly and MidJourney. If you're looking for the best AI generator for images in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. MidJourney's Explore page and can be viewed on your profile. It gives everything a cool community aspect, but it means that anyone who cares to look can see what you're creating. While not necessarily a problem for artists, this might be a deal breaker if you're looking to use MidJourney for business purposes. If things still sound a bit confusing, don't worry. MidJourney's help docs are really good and walk you through getting started with both the web app and Discord, and they show you how to control all its various features, from selecting model versions and upscaling to using character references and its personalization tools. Once you understand the different options, the results you can get are genuinely amazing. MidJourney's free trials are currently suspended because of the overwhelming number of people trying to use it, but they're occasionally reinstated for a few days. It has many pros, like consistently produces some of the best-looking AI-generated images, and the community is a great way to get inspiration, but the images you generate are public by default. Adobe Firefly integrates well with Adobe's apps, especially Photoshop, and it is very powerful when it's matching an image, but it's not the best as a pure text-to-image model. Adobe has been building AI tools into its apps for more than 15 years, so it should be no surprise that it has one of the most powerful text-to-image generators, at least in terms of how it integrates with other tools. You can try its AI model, Firefly, out on the web for free or through Adobe Express, but it's at its best in the latest version of Photoshop. Firefly has a few tricks up its sleeve. In addition to being capable of generating new images from a detailed text description, it can create text effects from a written prompt, recolor vector artwork, or add AI-generated elements to your images. You can test all these out through the web app, but it's that last feature where Firefly stands out. The two best features are Generative Fill and Generative Expand. With Generative Fill, you use Photoshop's regular tools to select an area of your image, and then, just by clicking a button and typing a prompt, you can replace it with something else. With Generative Expand, you can add to the outside of your image. Crucially, both tools understand the context of your image. Adobe's Firefly is the first implementation of an AI photo generator that really hints at what's to come. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.